Life and death all around, deeply so entwined. We have more of winter period than of pleasant summer nights. On the royal arcade courtyard, all these ghosts still hang around. Heroes, traitors, kings, invaders, I hear the plotters sound. The old king thinks of Smolensk fall, BONA plots her own INTRIGUES. ZYGMUNT august, still in love, mourns his loving wife deceased, while BATORY still besieges unsubdued Russian PSKOV. ZBOROWSKIEGO'S traitor's head rolls behind the royal bed. ZAMOYSKI, greatest man, is protecting our state, whilst the wazers all could tell, only think of rule to dwell. There is also at the Courtyard happy wife of famous king. News arrived the other night from the Vienna battlefield. Wait a moment, devils lurking, someone's breaking into treasury. These are Saxons with the traitors, bribing guardians cleverly. All the glory of the state starts to slowly fade away. All its powers start to thwart, and White Eagle is a prey. And I think and analyze, is still someone missing here? Oh yes, das Poniatowski, he's in Moscow with Catherine. Three black evils long have gathered over weekend prey, and with help of the local ravens left its body brutal slain.